Hello everyone! Divide the hair into two sections, taking the right section first. Make a braid out of it. Loosen the sides using your fingers. Do the same on the left side, then take the left portion, tie it up on the right side and vice versa. Leave out two sections of the hair from the front and then tie a ponytail at the back. Divide the hair into three sections and then make two braids out of both of the edges. As for the middle portion, roll it in on itself, join the three together and then using a multiple prong pin, wrap it up into a bun. Now taking the extra sections from the front, wrap it around this bun. Take two sections from either side and loosely tie it up at the back together. Roll the hair in on itself, twist this section and pull the rest of the hair through. Start off by tying a ponytail. Divide this ponytail into four sections and then make a four-section braid out of it as such. Loosen it using your fingers and then roll it up into a bun. Fasten it in place using a four-pronged pin. Add a decorative clip. Take two sections from either side and then tie it up at the back. Now taking a section from the right side, pull it through the left and then make a braid on the left side. Wrap it up and tie it in place. Tie a low ponytail, divide it into three parts. For the middle part, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. As for the left and the right side, make two braids out of it. Tie it all up together and then roll the hair upwards. Tie a low ponytail and then divide the hair up. Taking a section of it, tie a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, roll it up into a bun. Make a braid out of the other side, pull it up and pin it up in the middle. Take a section off the top of the scalp, add a decorative clip to it. Then, make a braid on the left and the right side of it. After you are done making the braid, roll it up and then attach it on either side alternatively. Thank you for watching.